Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrator rights because many reset actions need elevation. Once done, save any open documents since a restart can close apps. Next, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S to locate the File Explorer process. This is where you stop and restart it safely. Make sure to note which folders or windows are open so you can restore them. These steps prevent data loss and set you up to reset quickly and effectively. You now stop Explorer and clear its caches to remove corrupted state. First, end Explorer. EXE in Task Manager, then use File right arrow run new task right arrow Explorer. EXE to restart it, this refreshes the shell. Next, open an elevated command prompt to run IE4unit. EXE clear icon cache and delete icon cache files because icon or thumbnail corruption often causes freezes. Finally, reset folder options via the View tab and clear quick access entries to restore default navigation behavior. This reduces configuration conflicts. You finish by repairing system integrity and verifying the environment. Run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to fix corrupted system files that affect Explorer. If issues persist, create a fresh user profile and migrate your data because profile corruption can be the root cause. Make sure to reboot after each major step. If Explorer still misbehaves, boot into safe mode to test without third-party shell extensions. This isolates add-ons and helps you identify the offending program quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.